Let's take a look at creating the fan pattern on the back of our end cap here. This is going to be a fairly complex sketch. Let's start. Apply some detail by selecting the edges and giving it a 10 mm fillet. Double tap on the smaller, plainer face. Starting from the middle, draw a line till the edge. Notice that this created a circle automatically from the edge. Draw 2 more lines from the center. Select them and apply symmetry, using the middle line as the axis. Select them again and define the angle between them at 20 degrees. Zoom in and draw 2 horizontal lines. We will define them further a bit later. Make sure that both lines are horizontally constrained. Select the upper line and the point at the top. Define their distance as 20 mm. Now, select both horizontal lines and define their distance as well as 20 mm. I'm going to delete the line in the middle. I won't need it. Go to the Offset menu, make sure it is set to Loop. Offset all 3 closed sketches we have created by 2 mm. Select the outer sketches and delete them. We won't need them anymore. Swipe up to move to 3D and zoom out a little. Go to Transform/Move/Rotate and select the sketches so we can rotate them. Snap the middle point to the center by dragging it to the edge. Turn on Copy. Rotate it by 20 degrees. Select the sketches again and rotate by another 40 degrees. Repeat this until you have covered the whole face. Tap Done. Go to Items and select the sketch plane. Move it 20 mm away from the end cap. We need this to do a little trick with intersect. Now, grab the outer circle and make it wider than your end cap, let's say 100 mm. Now I'm hiding all folders except the end cap. Rotate my view into position. Select the bigger closed sketch and push it towards the end cap. Open the Boolean Options badge and select Intersect. I used this method to save a lot of time on selections. The last thing left to do is to make everything visible and move sketches into their folder. In the next and final lesson, I will move all the screws into their final position.